everyone, this is Sandy Crane of the Heart, and I'm back with a haul from Blitsy. So Blitsy had a clearance sale, so I went on there and purchased some items I had my eye on. They were all really good price. I don't know how much they are because Blitsy doesn't have it on here, and I neglected to print it out. So, but they were all pretty good. I don't think I spent more than $50 for everything that I got. So it's pretty good. I think it was pretty good. So I did buy the sticker sheet. I actually have this collection. It's the Graphic 45 Sunkissed. I have this collection in the 8x8. And I saw the sticker sheet and I decided to pick that up because it's pretty expensive. I don't know if it comes in the 12x12 or if this is a separate thing anyways, but I got that and I need to be careful with it so I don't lose stickers on it. Okay, so I got that. The other thing that I got was this Wild at Heart chipboard, which I know is kind of, I mean, it's not summer anymore, but it will be eventually. And I really like it. It's very, very cute. So I did get that, and I actually got some other pieces of it too, so I thought I would show those next. So I got this one, which is the 6x8 Wild at Heart papers. It's the foiled ones. Really, really fun, tropical kind of stuff. So I did get that. They also had a bunch of this collection. They had this Wild at Heart large sticker sheet. It's the larger one. So I went ahead and got that. And then they had this, which is the ephemera. It comes with 40 pieces of ephemera. And it says even 6 vellum. So this is kind of what you get, and I think it's very, very cute. So I'm excited about that. And then also in the Wild at Heart collection, I got these stickers. They're like a gold foil sticker. So really like that. They've got kind of this tropical feel. Got those. And then to sort of round off my crate paper, I also picked up another Good Vibes frames. I think they were actually cheaper than Tuesday Morning. So I got those. And then, what else did I get? That was part of that clearance. Oh, this was from Photoplay Love Notes. I got, this is my Prima Planner paper. It's called Midnight Bloom, but I really like it. I think it's really pretty. Whoa, just knocked over all my stuff. I think it go really well with gold, so it's very cute. I got that, and that is their, I don't know what size that is. The A4 size, so it's like an 8 1/4 by 11. It's like an 8 by 11, basically size. I got that. And then I got this, which is Happy Birthday 6x6 Echo Park paper pad. I don't have this one, so kind of excited to get this one, just something a little different. Also, along with Echo Park, this was also part of their sale, so I went ahead and got that. The frames and tags, Wish Upon a Star. And this was a pretty good price, so I got this. I don't know what the price was, but it was a good price when I got it. It's the Dream Castle die and Dream. I love the fact that they are 2 separate stamps because that Dream is a really, really nice size. You could put on cards or anything else. I also got the Chimel Glitter Girl Shaker stickers, which I think are just adorbs. So I got those. Fun. And then I got this, which I'm super excited about. Hopefully I can figure out how to put it together. This is a large, it's still called the large die. It's a Gorjuss Girl. It makes this one right here, and it says it comes with embossing detail and exclusive coordinating papers, which is cool because I thought it was kind of heavy. Like I felt heavy. And so this alone is normally, I think even on sale, I've seen it at Marker Pop for like $22, sometimes even as low as $18.99. But I'm pretty sure my entire haul shipped with tax was $50 around. So that's pretty good. And then I found a couple Halloween things that I went ahead and picked up because it's the season. These right here, this is Making Memories glitter stickers. So these are probably like stinking older than dirt. This is Spellbound. It's probably really old, but I love it. I love the stars, and I think it'd be really cute on various projects. And it's got these little skulls. And then Little Bee, I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I have some ideas, but I think these are really adorable. So I got these. They're little pumpkin bags, I guess they look like, and candy corn. So that's my haul. I usually don't score very well on Blitsy clearances. Usually everything is picked over and sold out. So I just felt really excited to get these items that I really actually really like. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.